hired a 110-ton crane from Dartmouth, about an hour away, to come and lift our log debarker in place. So he let the cable down. I unhooked off the sling on the front so he could take the hook up. He hooked on his chains for lifting the debarker. We got the 4 slings hooked on the debarker, and one we had to adjust a few times to get it to lift level. We put a rope on for a tag line, so when he lifted it that I could hold the rope so it didn't swing sideways. We thought it weighed around 10 ton, it ended up weighing 15 ton. So we had to change from 2-part line to 3-part line for the crane to be able to lift it, and we had to add an extra counterweight also.
Heavier. I'm only good for 32,000 on 2 lines, and I'm good for 47.
When we get our little fingers here.
Yeah.
It was ever smart enough to put the socket through there.
I just changed the new cable on it now before you couldn't even plug it through.
Yeah. Every time you had to knock the cable out of the wedge and feed the cable through it.
You still do.
Yeah.
Plastic is strong.
Somebody would come up with that good of an idea and you could get that through there without...
Oh yeah, everything's quick.
Everything nowadays is better.
Yeah, we're not talking with an ear tool in the end.
Well, yeah.
The crane's right here. It's all on the block if you buy the right block.
The old conventional cranes are still my favorite.
Oh yes, very few around now.
Yeah.
There's nobody run them.
Yeah.
I
brought the last dinosaur I used to run that.
15 ton. We got the 3-part line hooked up now, and we're ready to hook back onto our chains and try lifting again. Second try, we got it lifted clear. It ended up weighing 33,000 pounds. Now we'll see if our measurements line up and if it fits.
Yeah, it's gotta come my way, 6 inches, 8 inches, foot. Away a little? Yeah, it's gotta come my way.
Still gotta boom down a little more yet.
How far are we going?
Up there, I would say.
Okay.
You good there, or?
About 3 inches then onto the actual original frame, 2 inches
Yeah,
on
we
this
want to be
side.
flush.
What? Prior down.
Are we about where we want to be?
What?
Are we about where we want to be?
Well, that's what I'm saying. See where this original is? So we want to be about 3 inches.
Yeah, I'd say.
Okay. Yeah.
Might give us
Prior
an
there.
hour.
Yeah. Okay. We're caught back there.
Just need to come my way an inch?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Need to come up. We need to go that way about an inch.
Adrian, we're going to have a problem here. Hold it.
Everything fit. We get everything on hook. We'll weld some brackets on, drill some holes in the concrete and get it bolted fast, and we're ready for the next step.